Arts Grade 6, Quarter 3. Welcome back to Cherry's Classroom. I am Teacher Leslie, your teacher in arts. This time, we are going to learn about printmaking. And it covers silk screen printing, materials for silk printing, and stencil methods in silk printing. But we are going to talk about the first two. What is silk screen printing? The design is printed by screening ink through the open areas of a piece of silk that has been very tightly stretched to a wooden frame. The unprinted area of the silk is blocked out with a stencil, but the space of the printed is left open. Different designs can be printed in paper or fabric, which can create various products like posters and t-shirts, and can be used in different events like school celebrations and elections. In manual silk printing, the colors are pasted one by one. When digital printing was invented, the products were made faster, thus accessible for more people. The printing of colors are more precise, and the machine can create more products with less time and manpower. Whether you do it by hand or by using a machine, create it for professional use or for business, silk screen print making can be messy but fun. Now, let us know the materials for silk screen printing. First, we have printing screen. An adult can construct your printing frame and silk for the screen. The silk is woven in different sizes of mesh from size 6 to 25. The higher the number, the closer the weave. The silk should be firmly stretched and attached to the frame using thumbtacks or heavy-duty stapler. After trimming the excess silk, the border should be taped so that the ink will not leak. Next, we have squeegee. Since the squeegee pushes the ink evenly through the mesh of the silk onto the paper of a fabric, choose one that is smaller than your printing on fabric. Hold it 1 inch from each end for balance and tilt it at a 45 to 60 degree angle when spreading the ink. Third, we have inks. There are lots of silkscreen inks available at supplies store or art stores. You can use poster inks when printing on paper or fabric inks when printing on fabric. Next, we have paper or fabric. Paper or fabric are used for printing. Next, we have plastic spoons and cups, palette knife, empty jars, old newspaper, paint thinner, cardboard, and clean rags. These materials are used for mixing colors and cleaning. And lastly, we have green film, photo emulsion, hair dryer, and lamp. These materials are used for hand-cut film and photo stencils. Now, do you understand? Okay, it seems that you really understand. Now we are going to move for our activity. Choose the correct answer. Great! You really understand our new lesson. Stay tuned in Cherry's Classroom for more video lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for new updates.
For more of these lessons, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye!